Hey, it's Steven, and welcome to Oak Haven Homestead. Today, we're going to show you our pig operation and how we raise hogs for meat on the homestead. Stay tuned. So, you want to raise your own pigs, but you don't have a lot of space. Well, we have got a solution for you. Now, I will preface this and say, we may get some hate for what we're about to show you and how we raise our hogs on our farm. However, we believe there are many different ways to do this, not just the pasture raised approach, which many believe is the only way to do that. But if we're being honest with ourselves, that's really not a feasible way. So what we have works. We do it in a small amount of space, and our pigs live happy, healthy lives. So let's get right to it. So here's our hog pen. It's 8 foot wide, 16 feet long. We use standard hog panels, the 32-inch hog panels. Just built a traditional gate with the 4x4 post on each corner. The 2x4s that you see there are just more support for the panel, so when the hogs are pushing up on it, it doesn't push it past the bottom of the floor. And then we do have some stops on here. Now this is built on 4x4 skids, so we built this to where we're able to move it around with 2x6 floor joist on 2-inch centers, and then of course standard treated decking for the floor base. Now we have the open area is 8 by 12, and then the enclosed shelter area is 4 by 8. We have a slop trough here, a little non-destructible ball for them to play with. And then over here in this area, our water will go here. And then we have an automatic feeder that we built that goes here. So this is our automatic feeder setup and our water barrel setup. Now they're dirty, we gotta clean them. But this is just a 37-gallon plastic water drum that we had added these water nipples here that we use to provide water for the hogs, and then automatic feeder. So this concept we built out of 3/4 inch treated plywood, and it's pretty simple. You just fill the back bin of this up, and then of course the hogs lift it up. It's got to be cleaned out, but the hogs will lift it up here, and then they have free choice access to their feed in this. Now we feed our hogs 5-in-1. We also will feed them like food scraps and stuff. My mom has dairy cows, so sometimes we'll get them some fresh raw milk and feed them. Really good for the meat and stuff like that. But this is the setup that we'll have in there. So when we do our next video, when we get our hogs and load them into space, we'll have all this set up in here. Just kind of want to give you an idea of what we utilize for feed and for the water. So that's it. Real simple approach to how we raise our hogs. It works, it's effective. The hogs are happy, they're healthy, and we don't have to have a lot of space for it. And it's not a whole lot of cost to do this. You can, especially if you can get yourself like scrap tin, or you can buy some of this stuff used. You can build one of these relatively cheap in relations to like putting up pasture fence, electric fence, and a lot of the expenses that come along with pasture raising pigs. But if you don't have a lot of space, we believe this could be a viable option for you to be able to raise your own hogs at home and have some really great pork. And I'm telling you, it's the best. It really is. And I may or may not make probably the best breakfast sausage as well, but that's for my own opinion and the opinion of many others. So, but anyhow, thanks for checking us out. If you have any questions, wants more details about what we have here, just drop a comment in below. Give us a like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.